Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time here, kindly do to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. So without so much of your time, let's get right into the gist of today. So guys, we have Kizz performing Coffee aka ODO for the very first time in Melbourne, Australia, and this was really fun as everyone sang along and went crazy, and people even joined Kizz on stage, and trust me, it was really a fun experience that you wouldn't want to miss out. But I'm here for you guys. I'm going to play everything that happened so you guys get that experience. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys towards the end of this video.
You know what? You know. Are you ready? Sing!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And Kizz absolutely killed this performance. As you see, the crowd, they were just singing along and enjoying his performance. So guys, I'll see you some other time in another video. It's been your boy Michael Jameson. Bye for now.